Here we are going to discuss the remaining part and the second part of the video, the drug price control order. We have discussed the title of this. We have already discussed in the first video the title. Second one is the objective and purpose of the order. Third one, some essential definitions. In the definitions, drug, import, export, levies, manufacturer, wholesaler, retailer and exporter. These topics have been already discussed in the first video and we are going to discuss other topics related to this order 1995. So here are these topics. What is the sale price of the bulk drug? How we can determine the sale price of any drug? Let us see about it. Sale price of bulk drug. The government may, with a view to regulate the equitable distribution and increasing supply of a bulk drug, Government of India control and regulate the supply of the bulk drug across India. specified in the schedule first. In the previous video, we have discussed the schedule first have 47 drugs, 47 bulk drugs, which are controlled by the government according to this order. So, the price of 47 bulk drugs controlled by the government. First, the manufacturer decide the price. On the basis of the money which they invest. So, this is the first term. And afterward, the government takes some measures for state or and the central level, some taxes and duties. The limit of the taxes and duties 22% and 12%. So after the taxes and duties, government fix the sale price of the bulk drug over the country. So anybody cannot be purchase the drug without considering the sale price decided by the government on the Drug Price Control Order 1995. The minimum sale price have been decided for all over the country. Any state can purchase the drug on fixed price. When anybody here manufacturer, exporter, importer, sale or purchase the drug on below or above the fixed price, they should be punished under the regulation of the order 1995. So here is the technique the government use for the fixation of selling price of any bulk drug, which are decided in schedule first 47. Only 47 drugs are controlled by the central government with the help of this drug price control order, and the price of these drugs may be considered by a fixed formula of this order. And when the central government fix the price, and anybody manufacturer, exporter or importer sale or purchase below and above the fixed price, they should punish under the regulations of the order 1995. Some other consideration about this? State government place some taxes and duties on the scheduled drugs, then the price may deviate from the fixed price of the bulk drug. So these are all the consideration on the fixation of the sales price of the bulk drug. So we are going to see other topic, manufacturer to submit information about scheduled bulk drug. Every manufacturer producing a bulk drug shall submit to the government a list of scheduled bulk drug produced by him within 30 days of commencement of this order and indicate the details of the cost of each such bulk drug from the details of the cost of each scheduled bulk drug. Manufacturer to submit information about to submit information about scheduled bulk drug to the government within 30 days of the commencement of the recent price control order. Price control order. These are situations related to the scheduled drug. And second one is for non-scheduled drug. Non-scheduled drug, here the non-scheduled drugs are a list of such bulk drug produced by him within 30 days of the commencement of the order should be given to the government with the list of the price of the non-scheduled drug of non-scheduled drug. The next topic is power to direct sales of bulk drug. The government have all the power to review the sale of any scheduled or non-scheduled drug, bulk drug, from the manufacturer and the retailer, supplier, wholesaler, in the reference of the drug price control order, drug price control order, which have recently commenced. Next one is retail price formulations. How the retail price could be decided by the government or manufacturer. There is a fixed formula for that. Retail price formulation. So these are the topics discussed in this video. We are going to discuss remaining topic in next video of this price control order 1995. Thank you.